Are you wondering what is the original version of bassline in song Love Theory? Welcome in the second video of the series Bass Transcription that we are actually finding out the different version of bassline in song Love Theory. In part 1 we have looked and we have learned how to play a version of Travis Takes. This is the well-known cover on YouTube, and in this video we are going to take a look and find out what is played in the original bassline. I have transcription for you, so if you want to download it and find it by your own or have it with you, there is two versions of PDF for you, or just with notes and the tab notation. I will show you just here on the screen. You will see, yeah, this is it. This is the version with tab notation, and in the third part of this series we will try to find out what we can do by our own. I mean, how to create our version of the bassline in the song Love Theory. Okay, so let's go. So we are starting our parts from pre-chorus. When we will see and we will compare, for example, this version to Travis version, there is a huge difference because there's like completely different approach because of the tone of the instrument. So here in original version we are thinking more of a tone and the rhythmic perspective. Travis played differently because he used more like chord structure. He described with his notes what is the chord, so it was like typical bass player perspective, but this time it's different. Okay, so what we have, let's find out. Without the metronome I will be just counting in 16 notes. So we have 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and it's really good. I suggest you just spend a while with one bar and repeat it, try to understand and then try to hear the rhythm. Try to play it faster and faster, and finally you will get to the original tempo. Yeah, so we have 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and without my counting 3 4 1 2, and the same thing one more time. Yeah, but the whole phrase is created with these two bars, so we will have to find out what we have next. I mean, especially this line on the beat 1 and beat 2. Okay, so we are skipping the 1 and we are playing 16 note after. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and then we are starting to playing kind of lick. So one more time, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, let's go to chorus. And in chorus there is also a really sophisticated as a rhythmic perspective, I would say, bass line, a little bit different than in pre-chorus, and we will play almost in every chorus the same notes. There will be small changes, but the main accent, the main idea will repeat. So okay, let's come back to 50. Yeah, and maybe before we will play with metronome, let's find out note by note. So we are hitting, I wrote it down, but you can use as a slide. So we are 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Yeah, so hitting last 16 note in the bar, and in my opinion he is doing kind of the slide, but I mean, when I'm trying to imitate it on the bass, I will do a slide. 1 2 3 4 pound pound cut. Yeah, so one more time with counting. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Yeah, so there's the same similar so what we have, we are playing with slap technique, the same as Travis did, So the beat here, maybe we will just listen to original for a while, okay, guys? Pa, pa. This is main groove. Yeah? Yeah, really cool bass line. So coming back, sorry. Okay. So after hitting here, we can use this ghost note on 2, we can skip it. Important things happening here. E flat to F, A flat to B. Very typical, yeah? And he's playing even in the beginning, these 2 bars, really simple from the rhythmic perspective. 1 and 2 and 3 and typical for the slap playing. Huh? Yeah, and we can see the bar, first bar and the third bar in the bridge part. At the beginning he played just, and this time, so he's adding some 16 notes, syncopation, and this is why it's like, I would say growing on developing. Develop, maybe this is not the correct word, but I'm hoping that you are getting the idea. Here, 1, yeah. So it's like increasing the dynamics because of the more notes and more of syncopation, yeah. Similar pattern, and here I think that you can play it here. It's easier to play this upper octave if in the chord B, but after playing here on the A flat, it would be easier, more instinctive to just switch position, like move position, yeah. And here we are in the second line. So I'm hoping the first line is okay for you. Let's play with 50 beats per minute. Here we have a really cool lick. This is a lick, actually the treble is played almost the same, but he played just on the pentatonic minor or major pentatonic. It's depend. Are you thinking D major, D flat major, or B flat minor? There was Travis, and original. I heard here this bluesy. Yeah, like raise note before we hitting E flat, because there's in harmonic perspective there is like 2 5 1, yeah. So, and at the beginning there is a short note, short 16 note, right? It's really good to hear an original version here and see. This is just my demonstration, this is not the perfect take. There are mistakes because I'm just human and I'm still learning and trying to, you know, imitate this bass line. I just spent a little bit of the time with it and trying to, you know, practice it a little, and then I want to share with you. So this is now your turn. You can find on my Patreon web this version, Travis version. You can find the PDF for both version with tap and without tap notation, and you can find out, guys, also MP3 without bass, so you can just play it along with a band. Yeah, this is it. Thank you guys very much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for those who decided to give likes, subscription, and for those who join me on my Patreon web, and you are just a part of this music journey. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you. So see you in next video. Bye.